Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss about the human digestive system sequel part 2, and in this video I am going to discuss about different mouth parts. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just a review of the previous slide or the previous video that we have discussed about what is digestive system and which body parts are included in the digestive system. And you can see here that mouth is the first part of the digestive system. So today we will discuss with this mouth and the salivary glands. And we also discussed in the previous video that different functions of the digestive system, that is, it helps in the digestion of food and all. Hope you have gone through the video. Now, so this is the inside view of mouth. You can see that from outside, if we just remove the skin, we will see that this is the outer structure of the mouth, and if we open the mouth, then we will confront with uvula. This portion is called the uvula. Okay, it helps during digestion and during respiration also. This upper part of the mouth, which is called the roof of the mouth, it is known as palatoglossal arch. Okay, you can see here this portion from here to here, palatoglossal arch. And this soft region, this is called the soft palate. This is the tongue portion and this is the teeth portion. So the inside view of the mouth, or the mouth, is made up of uvula, then palatoglossal arch, then soft palate, then tongue and teeth. So there are 5 parts we will see when the mouth is opened enough. Now, if you want to draw the mouth in for your exam, so you can follow this picture. It's somehow much more easier than the previous one. So the first part of the mouth which we are going to discuss about is the teeth. So if we see in a very fine view, then we will see that there are 4 types of mouth. This mouth is called the incisor. Okay, and just beside the incisor there is canine. You can see here also below in the lower jaw, these are the incisors, this is the canine, these are the bicuspids or the premolars. Okay, these 2 are the premolars, and this 3 and the lower 3, these 6 are the molars. So there are 4 different types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. The premolar is also known as bicuspid. And this is the gum within which the teeth is intruded, or gingiva. It's also known as gingiva. So if we think about a single teeth or single tooth, then we will see that it is made up of enamel, dentine, pulp, cementum, gum, bone, blood vessels and nerve. So let us see which one is which. So this is enamel part, our outermost part, the most shiny part. After that comes the dentine region, then comes the pulp region, and within the pulp you can see the different types of blood vessels are situated, like this artery, vein and capillaries. And these blood vessels are within the deep root, you can see, with the general circulation. And this is the nerve for which we have the sensations in our teeth. This is intruded within the bone. This soft part is the gum and this is the cementum. So these are the different parts of a tooth. Now we will discuss about the tongue. we can move our tongue, so it is made up of skeletal muscle. We know that whatever the muscle we can move in our body is totally made up of skeletal muscle. For example, the muscle of the hand, the leg, the mouth. So it is made up of voluntary muscle. It contains the papillae, the taste buds, the blood vessels and the nerves. The taste buds are actually intruded within the papillae. If we see a part of the papillae in a microscopic view, it's also a microscopic view, and these are the papillae. You can see these are the papillae. This is called circumvallate papillae. There are different types of papillae: filiform, fungiform, circumvallate. So this is circumvallate papillae, or how a papillae looks like. The taste buds are intruded within these papillaries. Within these papillae, the taste buds are intruded, which help us to feel the taste of the different food. Now the salivary glands, which is another most important part of the mouth. So there are three pairs of salivary glands. You can see this is the parotid gland, this is the submandibular gland, and this is the sublingual gland. So one pair of parotid gland, one pair of submandibular gland, and one pair of sublingual gland. So this is the situation of the parotid gland. You can see just close, very close to the ear, you can find the parotid gland, and it is mainly made up of serous acini, serous cells, and interlobular ducts are present. So presence of predominant serous acini and presence of interlobular ducts. So by this we will identify the parotid gland. Now after the parotid gland comes the submandibular gland. Submandibular, that means which is just below the mandible. This is the mandible and submandibular. So this is the submandibular gland. So this is the parotid gland and this is the submandibular gland. Just like parotid, we will see here serous acini abundant and the interlobular ducts. Now here comes the sublingual gland. This is the sublingual gland, and you can see that this submandibular and sublingual, they are interrelated to each other. Okay, predominant amount of mucus acini is present here with the interlobular ducts. So there are three pairs of glands: parotid gland, submandibular gland, and sublingual glands. So thank you very much for watching. It will be continued to part 3, where we will going to discuss about the esophagus and some other organs of the digestive system. So long. Bye bye.